All right, we're talking about volume of rectangular prisms again. I'll keep this quick since we've talked about this already. But remember that volume is length times width times height, at least when we are talking about rectangular prisms. It's the amount of stuff that can fit inside of a shape. Number of cubes, amount of water, amount of sand, whatever I could fit inside of it is the volume. Some examples. Remember, we can look at it with actual cubes drawn, then we just have to count. You can say, okay, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 wide, 1, 2, 3, 4 back. That means one layer is 4 by 4, which is 16. And then it's 2 high. So if I do 16 times 2, I get the volume, which is 32 cubic units. 4 times 4 times 2. Remember, you can think of it in layers, like the top layer, 4 by 4, and then I have 2 of them. This will come in handy if you have a shape other than a rectangular prism, like a triangular prism. You can find the area of the triangle and then multiply it by the height. We won't do those, but for future, store that away in your brain. Sometimes they just give us the numbers, so we can do 7 times 2 times 6. Again, 7 times 2 is going to be the base, which is 14, times the height, which is 84, I believe, and it's feet cubed. So it's, again, I could fit 84 cubes in there that were a foot by a foot by a foot. Check my math if that's not right. Sometimes they'll just give it to us as a description. It can be helpful to draw it if you need to. You don't have to, but that can be helpful. Ooh, that was a very funny looking rectangular prism. Sorry about that. Then we have length is 12, width is 8, height is 3. I can do 12 times 8 times 3. 12 times, let's pull up a calculator for this one. Oops. Times 8 times 3. 288. Again, just showing you, even I use a calculator sometimes, totally fine. I didn't give you units, so it'd be units cubed. All right, so quick review. Go ahead and do your practice and let me know if you need any help. Good luck.